And how many of you, how many of your banks had or currently have special investment vehicles, those off the books, somehow unregulated subsidiaries of the bank or sister corporations?
We have SPVs.
Okay. So basically, all or most of you engaged in all or at least some of the activities that actually created this crisis, in my opinion. Because every one of those activities, especially the SIVs, to me, I think they're illegal. I cannot believe no one's prosecuted you on this. But then again, we've had no prosecutorial action whatsoever the last administration, and the new administration has a little time to figure this out. We'll find out whether anybody really cares. How can possibly any regulated bank have something on its books that's totally unregulated, that for all intents and purposes is the same thing the bank does? That's for your lawyers to answer, and my hope is that you will be answering those questions in court someday. We'll find out later on. But basically, you come to us today on your bicycles after buying Girl Scout cookies and helping out Mother Teresa, telling us, we're sorry, we didn't mean it, we won't do it again, trust us. Well, I have some people in my constituency that actually robbed some of your banks, and they say the same thing. They're sorry, they didn't mean it, they won't do it again, just let them out. Do you understand that this is a little difficult for most of my constituents to take, that you learned your lesson? And it's all the same people doing this. The same people who created SIVs, who created CDOs, who created credit default swaps that never existed a few years ago. You created them. You created the mess we're in. And you're not the only ones, don't get me wrong. You just happen to be the ones here today. I can't wait to get the credit rating agencies here someday again.